Oh, I'm back. Got my hair tied up. Yep, have no idea what I'm doing today, but I'm here. I'm probably going to take some, what do you call that? Wires. There's a bug. Undo some wires and get ready so we can pull this motor and this trans out together. I did not think about...
Whoa. What's this together thing? Wasn't this your project?
Yes.
All
I
you,
said
right?
Together. So they'll be together as one unit.
Oh, okay.
Like our marriage. For when you help me pull these things out here.
It's a bullshit.
So, yeah, I'm gonna do some, what do you call that? Hunting. Where I gotta go and find the wires that I need to unhook so that everything can be unhooked. I think am I gonna drain today? I probably drain. It's hot again. And I got on all black and that was stupid because it's like 80 something degrees and it's 1 o'clock. Whatever. I'm gonna go find the GoPro and put it on time lapse or something and you're gonna see me dipping and bopping all around because time lapse. Yep. Bye! So, I had to take a small break to go and get some shorts and something for my head because this little hood here and that little hat, yep, didn't do it. So, here we go. Part 2 of whatever part we're at. Okay, bye. Back to the time lapse where you see me see. Alright, so, hold on. Hey, look at me. Let's pull this up a bit. Can we talk about all of the wires that are in this here vehicle right here? There's a lot. So many wires! That is it. I feel better now. Back to the time lapse. Okay. I'm ready for my lesson.
I'm what?
Why I gotta chase all these stupid wires and go to the brains in the human facilities?
Whatever you said. Okay, no, you just gotta pull the computer off and there's only a couple bolts. But then to keep getting the wires off, you're gonna have to unhook them all.
So it doesn't even make sense to pull the computer off right now because it's just, I gotta chase the wires anyway.
Well, yeah, it's just more stuff out of your way.
But it's not gonna be out of the way because everything's still connected to it. 1, 2,
3, 4 bolts, 6 bolts.
Yeah, but everything's still connected to it.
It's not.
This is connected to it.
That's 1 bolt. You got some grounds, but no other wires are connected to it. They all run into these.
Oh, I'm glad I taught you something. No, there's another bolt back here. Wait, which part is coming off? Just this part or this whole thing?
Don't take the whole thing off.
Well, there's another bolt that I'm probably not going to be able to get to because freaking Cadillac and the freaking loop of wires. Why you running from the camera?
I'm not. You good with me now?
What?
You done with me now?
No, since I had to give you a quick lesson.
Right, I got other things to work on.
You gotta go back to Project X?
Yep. Something wrong with your face.
Something wrong with your face! I don't know what just happened there, but I'm done for the day. I'm probably just gonna pull this radiator out, set it to the side, and then get back at it in a couple more days. My physical therapist is gonna love when I tell her what I did. She's not gonna love it. She's gonna be very upset. Stop telling me I'm rambling. So what? I'm the Rambler. That's my name. Call me Rambler. That's me. That's what I do. Bye. Apparently I am gonna show you me pulling out the radiator, I guess, because Papa wants somebody to laugh at me.
When in doubt, pull it out.
I got me 2 kids.
That was not pull it out. I said pull it out.
I mean, some people's calculations are off. Okay, that's off. Is it heavy? Is that what I'm tripping about? Ooh! That was my nipple. Oh. I need some leverage because I'm 5'2". Is it heavy? Ah, son of a... I made a mistake. Something's happening down below. No, it's stuck on the thing. That Papa broke. I made a mistake. That didn't do nothing. Oh, you son of a biscuit eater. I should have just cut this off. Wait a minute, Papa. Because this is steel. Hey, can you make yourself useful and give me something to pull this off, or you want to yank that off?
That didn't work.
There's 2. You should be able to pull it off now with your hand. I should do it, yeah.
Give her the beans.
Excuse me?
Give her the beans.
Hold on. Wait. Bang, bang, motherfucker. I don't need your help right now. Don't try to come in and do the easy stuff. You know what time it is? Guess what time it is? It's time
To go fuck home.
to do the celebratory. Something happened down below. Bye!